Hello, guys. This is Mr. G. Just hoping everybody's safe and healthy. Just let you know you guys are missed. Miss seeing you every day. Miss working with you. I know it's now we found out we're going to be out longer. So I don't know how long we will be out when it all said and done. But I'm going to be here every day working with you. I wanted to give you on this first screen a little video to show you some key points to our Canvas class so that you and your parents can kind of see some what you really need to look for each day and what you need to do. So let's start here on this page. This is always your home page. So once you get into your social campus, those always go to this course, and this video is going to be at the top of this page. But there's a couple things I want you to look at. I want you to scroll through this and read this for just some basic information. It talks about pacing. One process I want you to know is that the Canvas assignments we put up for the week are for the week. You don't have to finish them one day. You really have from Monday through Sunday. We'll give you new assignments each week, and we're going to try to shift some topics each week so we continue on our timeline of history. To continue give you that knowledge base that you guys need for the next level. But so your home, that's your home button, and this is what this looks like. Over here, you'll see a to-do list too, and it'll say Monday's announcement. That's from the 16th, so that's last week. And then one from yesterday, from the 23rd, Monday's announcement is for this week. You can click on there, or you can click on this announcement button. When this announcement button is clicked, it'll take you to those announcements. And I'm going to click on the one that you guys received yesterday on the 23rd. And there's some key points I want you to see on this. It is talking about the assignments, and it's giving you just a recommended schedule for the week. This is my recommendation. So every day I want you to watch CNN. There's links to CNN on this page. There's right at the bottom. Here's where it is. So here's your link to CNN. Watch it every day. You don't have to do our normal starter sheet, but I want you to stay up with your current events. But it tells you on Monday to try to get these things done. On Tuesday, it tells you what you should try to get done. On Wednesday, Thursday, it takes you all the way to Friday. Now, if you get it done before Friday at your own pace, that's up to you. But by the end of the day on Friday, if you still have some things you have to do, you still have the weekend if you need to. I gave you work so that we're staying on topic and staying in our curriculum, but I want you to try to get it done Monday through Friday. I don't want you to have to work on the week on this one. I want you to have some breaks. And this just gives that recommended pace. And each week that will look different. And each week I will post that here. And then the only other thing you really need to worry about is your assignments page. So your assignment pages will take you to those assignments. So if you look here, here's your assignments for this week, because it says week of 3/23. So here's your assignments. And it also has some online enrichment resources, has some video lessons that you can watch here for this week and last week. Has some other resources that you can use. For these resources and these video lessons, you don't have to do anything with it. There's nothing you have to turn in. They're just there to help you. They're just there to help you complete all your activities for this week and all your assignments. The only other thing I want to tell you is this inbox here. This is where you can click on to email me. You can also see if I've emailed you. So each morning I'm going to send an email. Just a good morning, checking in, making sure everybody's okay, making sure you guys know I'm here for you. So you'll probably see a 1 there each day. If you send me a message, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I promise within 24 hours everybody's messages are getting returned, and they'll be in this inbox. So I hope that helps a little bit. The only thing I can show you also is if you're not sure how to, if you're not sure how to submit assignments. When you open up an assignment, you'll have a link. So for this one example, here's a good example. There's a link to a PDF here. So it's a read. So you will open it, and all you have to do on that one is just read. Down here, you will click to open up your actual assignment. It's an organizer. I've also put a video of me telling you the directions of that organizer. So you can watch this beforehand, before you open this, and I'll show you what to fill out. Now remember, you can submit on regular paper, you can submit on the PDF, you can submit by in Word document, however you want. But once you get your submission ready, when you get it done, hit the submit button. You guys know I did this. We've done it in class. I'm really proud of you that we did this during the year at certain points so that we're ready for this. But again, I'm here to help you if you're not sure how to submit or if you struggle with that. A lot of you have been really working already, and I'm really proud of you. So hopefully this helps a little bit. And we got this, people. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it through this. You guys are gonna continue to learn. You're gonna continue to gain that knowledge that you need. And I'm proud of you. And you don't hear this from us often, but I love you, and I hope everybody stays safe.